How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today we're taking a look at Urban VPN and whether or not it's a legit VPN. Now, when it comes to VPNs, people usually get a VPN in order to secure their data. A VPN will typically not log your data and sell it to third-party companies. You want a VPN that will give you access to websites that may not be available to you in your current location. You want a VPN that is quick, reliable, and gives you a very solid level of anonymity, of course, which comes with the privacy policy. Now, with regards to Urban VPN, it claims to be a completely free VPN. And when a VPN gives this kind of marketing that you see here, the only 100% free, 100% fast, and 100% anonymous VPN in the world. So you can kind of imagine that this is very hyperbolic. It's a huge claim, and it's a bit of an excessive claim to be 100% in everything and the one and only in the world that does all of that. Of course, all of that is false. Let's start with the reliability. Now, I tried downloading it on my Windows. I have Windows 11, okay? And of course, I simply was not able to install it for whatever reason, and I'm not exactly sure. I'm not sure if my Windows 11 just simply rejected the application, but I couldn't download it. Now, I asked some of my peers to download it and test it with Netflix. Of course, as you can imagine, it did not work with Netflix. And I'll get into the privacy policy in just a second, but I wanted to just draw your attention to one thing. When a VPN claims to be anonymous. Now, VPNs with solid no logs policies will typically not have servers in countries that are not exactly free countries. They're very censorship heavy countries, which is why in most countries, in most Middle Eastern countries, you won't really see most VPNs have any servers in these countries. Specifically, now the UAE is a bit of a, I don't know, it's a weird spot because of Dubai, and so we'll forgive that if other VPNs have UAE servers. But when it comes to Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Jordan, Russia, and India, these are all very restrictive countries with regards to data retention. The government requires VPNs to retain data for years and, will have to give up such data to the government. So any VPN that is there will have to give up the information, okay? And it actually requires VPN and other companies, not just VPN companies, but other providers to retain data. Unless these servers are not physical servers, but virtual servers. But this was just a bit of a kind of a red flag that stuck out to me because, recently NordVPN, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN, for example, three of the best VPNs, I'll talk about them in just a second, they all pulled their servers, their physical servers from India, and now they're operating simply virtual servers from outside of India to give you an Indian IP address. But the actual physical servers within India have been pulled. So I'm not exactly sure how it works with Urban VPN. But I wanted to also take a look at the privacy policy because usually with regards to free VPNs, you know how it is with free VPNs. They will collect your data and they will sell it to third-party advertisers. So I want to go ahead and take a look here. So the first type of information that they collect is aggregated, non-identifiable, non-personal information. Great. The second type of information is individually identifiable information. Namely, information that identifies an individual. Okay, so if we take a look at the table below here, it will kind of list all kinds of information that they collect, and a lot of it is just not looking good. Okay, so that includes your real IP address. They use trackers and identifiers. And if we go all the way down here, so I just wanted to, there's one thing that really stood out to me right here. So with whom do we share information? We may share information solely in the following events: for security and fraud detection as required by law in the event of a merger or acquisition, with trusted partners and third parties, including our affiliated companies who assist us in operating the services and conducting our business. Note that data is filtered and cleaned on the client side, and we make best efforts to ensure the raw data does not include any personal data or unique identifier. So this is already one of the worst privacy policies you can find on the internet amongst VPN providers. And here you see all the cookies and trackers that they collect. But more importantly, how do we collect your information? So when you voluntarily choose to provide us with information, when you contact us, and automatically when you use our services, for example, when you use the website, we may assign your device with a JavaScript code. When you use our mobile data or our mobile app for Android and wish to use safe mode browsing, we may collect your web browsing data through the Android accessibility services feature as described below. So yeah, there's a lot of red flags with this privacy policy. It simply defies the very purpose of using a VPN in the first place. So yeah, this is, this whole thing with being anonymous and 100% free, so on and so forth. First of all, it's not free. They use your data as payment, pretty much. It's not really that fast. I've taken a look at a whole bunch of just people and user reviews and whatnot. It's not really that fast. And it's definitely not 100% anonymous since they're using your data and identifiable data at that point. No, it is not a reliable VPN, and I do not recommend it, not even for Netflix, because it's not working that well for Netflix in the first place. What I would recommend if you're looking for a good VPN is, either Express, Nord, or Surfshark. These are some of the best VPNs I've been testing. Over a couple of dozen VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to these three as the best overall, for privacy policies, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, performance and reliability, and a whole bunch of security features. These are the best VPNs you can get. Express will be a very privacy and anonymity focused VPN. NordVPN will be a very performance and speed focused VPN with emphasis on giving you a whole bunch of security features and bonus features. And Surfshark will be the best budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without necessarily sacrificing much on privacy, speed, or features for that matter. It's a great budget VPN. So, with regards to budgets, Surfshark will be the cheapest one. NordVPN somewhere in the middle, still very budget friendly though. And ExpressVPN will be the most premium of premium, and of course it comes with a premium pricing. So if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll definitely find a link in the description down below for either full reviews or links to pricing and discounts, whatever it is that you're looking for. And they do have 30-day money-back guarantees, so you can try them out for free. If you're not satisfied, let's say, with any of these services, you can claim your refund through the live chat support, at least during the first 30 days. And all of the plans are covered by 30-day money-back guarantee. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.